First, ensure you have a Tracfone SIM card. Purchase a SIM kit if needed. Insert the SIM into the SIM slot on the side of the phone, using the provided eject tool if required. Power on your device and connect to a Wi-Fi network. Next, visit tracfone.com/activate or use the Tracfone app. Enter the SIM's ICCID number and select a prepaid plan that suits your needs, such as $20 for 1 GB of data for 30 days. Confirm the activation via SMS or email. Allow 15 to 30 minutes for the phone to register on the network. To ensure your Tracfone BLU View 5 has mobile data, configure the access point name settings. Navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, and Access Point names. Add a new APN or edit the existing one using these specific settings. Save these settings and restart your device. Test your data with a speed test app to verify speeds and send a picture message to check MMS.